So today we're going to be showing you how to blow dry your beard. Right, so the beard has been washed, so is my hair, and all I've done is towel dried the beard. So it's still damp, it's still got quite a good amount of moisture in it. And the first step is to make sure you've got one of these, which is a hairdryer. So you want to make sure that your hairdryer has an ionic mode, and that means that all the water on the hair just evaporates very quickly. We need a few bits. We need some beard oil and we need a brush. So I got two brushes. I actually just use this, and people will give me potentially a lot of hate for this because it's just a plastic hairbrush, but I find it does the job, and I think having a beard, you just do what works. And I also have the boar bristle hairbrush. So grab your beard oil. I'm just using the Old Love sandalwood and benzoin, so quite a vanilla and sandalwood scent, quite nice. Just give it one spray, that's all you need. So you just work that into the beard, especially under the chin. That's where a lot of the moisture stays on the beard, and you just want to make sure a lot of that is going to go, and you might need to work the hairdryer a little bit more there. It's a really simple technique. You grab your hairdryer, just about, and you just point it downwards on the hot and fast setting from a good distance. Switch it to the cooler setting and you do that, and it will hold it in place. You do that across the entire beard and you're done. Simple as that. Let's just show you right now. So grab your hairbrush, grab your hairdryer. Hot setting. Cold setting. And straight away, let's just zoom in here. Ooh. Straight away, it's just looking a little bit neater this side. It's dry. This side is just a bit, like, you see, a bit puffier here. This side's a lot neater. Really easy, really quick. Let's just quickly finish off the beard. And I want the hair to come across a little bit more, so I'm just going to put the cold setting on and just blitz the hair over this way. So what we do as well on the mustache is we start to style it just on the cold setting, just to get it in place and separate from the rest of the beard. Then we put it on the hot setting, switch it back to the cold, styled, done. And that is it. The beard's done now. It's nice and dry. We've got a bit of style, I think, on the mustache. Just looking in the mirror just here, and it's not looking too bad. We're just going to finish it off using the boar bristle brush. And we're just going to brush through that oil that's still on the beard. It just gets rid of any of the static as well we might have caused using the hairdryer and the plastic brush as well. So we've got something that will finish off the beard. It's our beard butter, and it looks something like this. Just a really nice, heavy but light product, nice and airy, and it really, you know, gets all those stray hairs down. You just want to get a nice scoop of this. I probably scooped it a little bit too much there, but I don't mind because I'll use any excess on my skin. I put it all over my tattoo every day. So you just work it in, work down so quickly, disappeared, and now we just work it into the beard. And any leftovers work into your skin, into the tattoo, into any dry patches you may have, and that's it, guys. Really simple. And the hairdryer is your best friend. If you actually leave the beard hair wet and just let it dry naturally, it can just go blow up, and it can cause a little bit more damage. But it's up to you. If you have the hairdryer, use it. If you don't. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, and comment if you're gonna try this out, and let me know how it goes. Until next time, goodbye.